how you're gonna use ChatGPT to know what to talk about, how to take B-roll even if you're extremely busy. So this is for trying to promote ourselves with Reels, TikToks, even use them on stories, and we're gonna do it together. Nowadays, we truly don't have the luxury to record every single day. I've found that B-roll is one of those things that helps me continue getting my message out there. Let's ask her. Let's say you are a lash artist or beauty professional, an esthetician. I'm an esthetician and I have a lot of B-roll of me cleaning my home, making my coffee, working out, and setting up client appointments. I want to be more consistent with creating content. What type of reels can I make with these? Also, give me POV ideas. Let's see what she says. So she said real ideas, day in the life, morning routine for productivity, tips for how you work, motivational reel, client prep reel, work-life balance, and then POV ideas. Okay, perfect. Look how easy this is. Like, you seriously don't have any more excuse for you not to show up. Look what she said. POV, you're my client. And then you show the process of what it would be like to be the client. POV, watching an esthetician who cares. And then it's like B-roll of you cleaning and prepping your area. Another one is POV, you just booked your glow up session and you have different clips of anything. It literally says pair appointment setting clips. The whole point of B-roll is so you can batch create content, you show up. I hope that you know this by now, that Reels is not just for selling. It's for consistency, so people can remember who you are when you are talking about your product, talking about what you do, talking about what you sell and promote. People fall in love with you, not necessarily what it is that you're promoting. I hope that I gave you a few ideas. It is going to take a little bit longer to get ready. Maybe if you take 5 minutes in the morning to get ready, maybe it's going to take you 8 minutes. So get up earlier. I have been using, I love my CapCut and I do edit a lot of my stuff in app if I'm like in a rush, but I have been using a tool called Descript, which has absolutely changed the game for me. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk to you about in the next video. Bye.